I've never seen anything like it. It's metal, it's gold, it's everything. We're rich, it's ours. It changed everything.
Keep an eye out for shale, that's where we'll find them. Just keep walking, we're almost there.
The lost trail. I've found it.
See that alcove? Right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see it now, let's go.
Do you see that?
What is that?
It's a reflection of something.
No, it's impossible. It can't be real.
Keep moving. I know, it's getting dark fast. Whoa! Gotcha. Thanks, buddy. That was close.
Is that really?
Yes.
Incredible.
It's bigger than we thought. Look at that rock. I've never seen anything like it.
Yep.
Look at the size of that vein, Omar. It's magnificent. It's real. This is it.
I don't believe it. It's real.
Unbelievable. It's bigger than anything I've ever seen. We found it, Omar. We really did.
No, it's real. Oh my God, it's real. Impossible. It's more than I ever dreamed.
Oh my God, look at that! No way! Oh, wow! Oh my God.
I'm here. I've found it. Get a chopper to these coordinates now. I don't know how long I can hold them off.
I found it. I'm looking right at it. You won't believe the size of this thing. Just checking the density. It's solid gold, absolutely massive. I found it. Get here, now. Copy that. Heading your way.
They know we're here. We need to move now.
How?
Keep down. Got it. They're up there.
I see them. Stay hidden.
Yes, that's it. Focus. Perfect. The jackpot.
Now we move.
All right, locked in. We've marked it. Let's move. Stop right there. That's mine. Stay back.
You're not getting this. Stay back, or you'll regret it.
We're outnumbered. Check left, I'll take right. They're trapped.
Hello?
Alert, it's confirmed he's alive.
He's alive? Thank God. Where is he?
Intruder! Look out! Helicopter! Drop your weapons! They're gone! Too close. Good thing we had the cavalry. I brought the samples.
What?
We're ready for you, Doc. Let's get to work.
Oh my God. Oh, this is it. Impossible. It's real. Oh my God.
I don't believe it.
I told you it was here. Unbelievable. 12 million.
We found it, Omar. We found it. It's real, Jake. After all these years.
Incredible, gentlemen. Absolutely incredible. Look at that. I've never seen anything like it. It's massive, and it's gold. The readings are off the charts. We need more data. Calibrating the laser now. Jake, any input on the density? Look at that. I've never seen anything like this.
It's impossible.
All right, Jake. The coordinates are confirmed. Excellent. The project can begin.
I thought I lost you. It's really you. Oh, God, I've missed you so much.
Look out! Over there! I see something!
What is it? It's moving.
This looks like it's been here for a while. Careful with it. I think I found it. Look, it's right where you said.
Right.
The readings were right. It's pure gold. Incredible. Bring the samples down.
The journey was long and hard, but we know this is the place. The readings are off the charts. It's here.
We found it.
After all this time.
Look there, it's just as we read. Barely visible. We'll need to go deeper.
Billions. The ancients used to say it was impossible to see. But we've come a long way since then.
I recognize this place. He's looking at something gold. It's me, but not quite. What do you see?
Look at this. It's from the map.
Incredible.
It's signed. And sealed. It's theirs. Look at that. More than we could have ever dreamed. We need to secure it. Now.
I cannot believe it. 20 years I've been doing this. Never seen anything like it.
The hammer that started it all. Worth more than the gold.
The rock. We found it.
It's glowing.
This is the one. The rock that changed everything.
The canyon goes deeper. Next video drops in 48 hours. Subscribe or you'll miss it.